Hi, my name is Stefan Bachman and this is my demo engine. So in this video I'm going to be making some pixel art using some blocks. So I'm going to go to the custom folder and I have three blocks here, the red, brown, and gold blocks, because you only need three colors to make Mario. So first thing I guess is I'm going to edit the scale of this plane just to fit Mario, because he is 12 wide and currently it's only 10. So I need to do grid alignment. Grid alignment was made for situations like this. I'm going to start with the feet. Okay, now I can move on to the pants. These objects are all merging together very nicely. Kind of happy with that. So next level of pants. Let's start with the hands. Anytime. The buttons. Get the other hand. So this is starting to look Mario-ish. Here's where it starts to diverge. Now keep in mind, I'm not actually doing this for memory. I'm using pixel art that I found on Google. I am not an artist, and this is probably the closest I will ever be to one. But that's alright. That looks pretty Mario-esque. Now I can start adding the face. It's actually quite satisfying doing this. Feels like I'm an actual artist. There's his eyes. Now I need to do his hair. Now his ear. And at this stage, pretty much done. Just need the hats. That's pretty awesome Mario right there. Not need to go there. Pretty amazing what you can do with just three colors. And there it is. There's Mario. Now, this is made of a bunch of blocks, but they're not connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld all of these things together to make a Mario object. Alright, so the easiest way to do this is to go on and turn wireframe mode on. You'll see here, all the blocks are drawn in wireframe mode, and then turn on masses. Now, there's one mass per block right now, but if I start joining them, they'll be removed very fast. So I will go to weld, and I'm just going to start welding all these together. You can see the masses as they join together. And I'm just going to keep doing this until there's only one mass left. You know, Highlander rules. It's going to take a while. You can just skip to the good part, or watch these masses come together. Really, no matter what order I do, this will turn out the same. And you can see that creating the masses isn't really slow. Like, there's no like lag, even when you have, you know, this looks more like it's like 100 objects here, and it's still there's no noticeable chugging when I join objects together. So that's really nice. It's not the fastest operation to join objects together, but certainly something you could do anytime you want in a game. Now on the face, welding his nose. See the center of mass is already in the middle of the object. And there you go, you got one center of mass for Mario and one for the ground. So now I can turn wireframe mode off, and we have a composite Mario. So now I can run this, and that is the most terrifying Mario I've ever seen. It looks like the Gingerbread Man. So there's a lot I can do here. Probably the most obvious thing is to stand him up and try and add some thrusters to his back to make him a Jetpack Mario. So I'm going to go ahead and try and do that right now. So I'm going to go to Objects, Create, Thruster, and I'm going to turn Orientation Alignment off, as well as Grid Alignment. I'm not sure how many thrusters I'll need. You know, and this might not even be enough. This is a lot of thrusters. You're going to have to plaster his face too. Now I can... This is an experiment. I don't expect this to work very well, but you know, if you make a pixel Mario in 3D and you have thrusters, there's really nothing stopping you from attaching them. Alright. So that is going to slow down my game significantly. I'm not really even sure if he's being held up by these particles, but this is probably the best use of particle systems I've had so far. Alright, so that's everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me.